In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Xbox Series X or S controller is not turning on. So let's jump straight into it. Now, there's a couple of things you're going to want to try to fix this problem. The first and of course most obvious thing is to check the batteries. Now, sometimes even if there's only a little bit of juice in the batteries, if they're not fully dead, this can prevent the controller from turning on. If, like me, you have a rechargeable battery pack, then go ahead and try with normal batteries to see if it's actually a problem with the battery pack. And if it is a problem with the battery pack, of course you'll need to either replace that or just use normal batteries. So if you have tried replacing the batteries and you're still having no luck, the controller's still not turning on, what you're going to want to do is actually power cycle your console and controller. Now, to go ahead and do this, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and turn off your console. Of course, if your controller's not on, you're going to want to go ahead and press the button on your console. So the little light just up here. So once your console is off, what you're going to want to do is unplug the power cable from the back of the console. And what you want to do on your actual controller is you want to go ahead and take the batteries out, and you want to leave this for about 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, what you're going to want to do is turn your console back on, but you want to do this using the controller. So you want to put the power cable back into the console, put the batteries back into your controller, and then you want to try and turn on the console by holding the Xbox guide button. So if it works, it should now be resolved and you should be able to play with your controller. If the light is blinking on the top, it just means that it needs to be resynced to your console. So to do that, you want to go ahead and press the sync button on the top of the controller till the light starts blinking like this. And on your console, you can see the button is just down here towards the bottom. So you want to go ahead and press the sync button so both the lights are blinking. So after a second, your controller should now be reconnected back to your console. So what you can do is see if the controller works. Now, if at this point you're still experiencing problems and it's not turning on, it could actually be a hardware issue with the controller. Now, at this point, what I would recommend doing is getting into contact with Microsoft support, who will be able to give you further advice. And of course, if your console and controller is under warranty, they're going to go ahead and arrange for a replacement to be sent through. So that is how to fix if your Xbox Series X or S controller is not turning on. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.